thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mount Pocono, Paradise Valley, Mountain Home, Canadensis, Alpine Mountain, Henryville, Scotron, Skidhaw, Pocono Pines, Long Pond, and Cresco. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 293 and 301. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 5. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.